Hello everyone, I'm Alexandros, this is Andrea, and today we have a nice improver, maybe a little intermediate but more towards improver piece. If you want to see it to music, there's right here and inside the description the first link, you can go and watch it. And if you want the explanation and the count, this is the video for you. Let's go slowly. So we start off with a regular hold if we like, and we do one basic, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a very nice way to push away from the lady. 5, 6, 7, 8, and we're hand to hand. On 1, 2, we're gonna bring this hand underneath, and we're going 1, 2, 3, 4. We come and grab it with the same hand on top. 5, 6, swivel the lady, so she gets preparation. 7, 8, turn her all the way, and you're facing the same direction. You're walking step, step, and on the fourth one, turn around. Now from here, it's like taking the lady from one side to the other, but make sure you bring this right hand over so you can go on her right shoulder blade and push her out. Okay? Now so it doesn't become a little bit too much, we'll do it from the beginning slow and then with the count. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, here we go, the hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, change, 5, 6, push her out. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, you roll her in, make sure you keep it low so her lady's left hand stays on top. And you grab it here. Now 5, 6, she's going to want to go that way, but you stop her, but touch the shoulder blade, I don't know if you can see it from here, and then open up the lady to another opening, so on the left, on the right. Now we're going to do a regular go by step, ladies with the right, guys with the left, don't let go with the right. 1, 2, 3, it's the right. 5, 6, 7, one more, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stay connected with the right. Put it over the lady's head. 1, 2, 3. Prepare her for a turn. Make sure you hold until the last minute, but you have to let go before she starts choking up. 5, 6, 7, 8. And you have a nice control here. Look. Switching again positions. 1, 2, you can see 3, 4, I leave her left hand behind the back. And 5, 6, she thinks she's going to go that way. I will be just unlocking the hand and pushing back to a double turn. You can bring this over. Sorry for the siren, guys. So after you put on the hand, you go into your basic and then give the lady a double progressional turn. Very fast, turn around. You need to adjust the hand like you're holding a tray so you can enter really fast. And then as you do basic, swivel the hand into a hug with her own hand. 5, 6, 7, 8. Bend the knees, grab her own knee and pull it up with your butt. This will make the lady lean back and help her neck up. Okay, I hope you guys like it. Make sure you comment and rate, and I'll see you on the next video.